Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct oil type and a new oil filter specifically for your vehicle. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and allow the engine to cool down completely before starting any work for safety. Now, locate the oil drain plug underneath your engine and position the drain pan directly below it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This process usually takes several minutes. Once the oil has fully drained, replace the drain plug securely, ensuring it is tightened to prevent any leaks. Next, use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old oil filter from its housing. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and slowly pour in the new oil. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity, typically around 5 to 6 quarts. After pouring, replace the cap and start the engine briefly. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Remember to check the description for links to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.